Today we're going to take a look at how to use Movie Maker to save a video file. We've had a few problems with students trying to pass on videos to teachers, and what they're doing is passing on the project file, which is an icon that looks like this. This is what typically people save a Movie Maker project as. And unfortunately this file doesn't contain any of the video or photo data itself. It's just a pointer to the actual files itself. So if you stuck this on a memory stick and expected to be able to play it elsewhere at a different school, you wouldn't have much luck. You need to also include the files that go with it. So if you did want to move the project as a whole so it was editable at another location, I'd recommend keeping the project file and all the rest of the files all in the same location, so stick them all on the memory stick, and that would let you then edit the video project at a later date. So if I just close this, we'll start by seeing how we open up Movie Maker. To get to Movie Maker, press Start, All Programs, and then somewhere on the list there should be Movie Maker. So we open that up, and what I'm going to do as a test, I'm going to import some of these sample images here. I'm going to drop them into Movie Maker, and then I'm going to drop these photos onto the timeline below. Okay, so that's going to make us a really quick sort of sample video, and I can save. You can save the project file by going File, Save Project File As. You find your location, and I'm just saving it over the example file we took a look at earlier. So I've saved it there. That's again just a project file and it doesn't contain the data within it. So to save this all as a video file that can be played anywhere on a Windows computer, you go to File and Save Movie File. It's important to pick that one, and then it asks you where you want to save it. So for example, let's say we was going to save it in our My Documents folder, or maybe a memory stick. We would still select My Computer, and then this is where you choose the name for the video file, choose something relevant, and then choose the location. So in this case I'm going to go My Documents and Test Video Project, and then press Next. And you can leave it on the default choice, which is best quality for playback on My Computer. That's generally a high quality video, and just press Next. There are, if you want more choices, there are a lot more choices you can choose, other settings, and there's a variety of different qualities that you can choose, but just as a general rule you can leave it as best quality, and then press Next. And what that'll do is work away. Now if you've got lots of video in there, it could take a while at this stage. It could take 10-12 minutes, maybe even more, depends on the size of your video project. And at the end you've got an optional box you can tick. When you click Finish, if you tick that box and you click Finish, it'll play the file. So if I press Finish without, and I minimize Movie Maker, and here we have the video file, which this is Windows Media video file, which is compatible on any Windows computer. So you can feel confident that you could take that elsewhere to give a presentation, and that will work. So that's how to save a movie file using Movie Maker.